I am very, 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 very sorry about having chewed through your pants, thongs, other clothes, and your bedclothes. I just didn't have anything else to do at the time. I was bored, so I hope you forgive me. I do love you, really I do, and I will try harder to be a better girl as I get older. I hope you have a lovely birthday, and you get some new clothes. Not that I can promise. I won't look at them. Lots of love from me.
I am sorry about my daughter Jemima. I have heard about what she has done to your stuff. As a punishment, like smacking and beating your children, I was not able to stop her, as she would have reported me to the RSPCA, and then I would be taken away and not be able to see Grandad any more, and I want to stay at home. Happy birthday, lots of love, 'cause I am a good girl.
Happy birthday, Hannah. I hope you've had a lovely day and you've got nice new clothes for yourself that you can wear, hopefully before Jemima has a look at them and modifies them and makes them something more special. There's not a lot I can say about Jemima. I think everything's been said already. Anyway, have a lovely day. You can now see why I'm so nervous and frowning all the time. I'm always wondering what's going to happen next. Have a lovely day. Love you lots.